Hello everyone, my name is Shovik and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be talking about ITR3. So ITR3 is for the persons who are trading in the market. Say for example they are doing futures and options and also has income from business. So they can file ITR3. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. First log into your income tax portal. This page will appear. Click on file returns. Select the type of status you want to apply for. In our case we want to apply for individual. Click on individual, then continue, then select the ITR form. In our case we are selecting ITR3. Proceed with ITR3. So it is saying that new tax regime is the default regime for ITR3. So let's click OK. We'll file using the new tax regime only. Let's click OK. Yes. So now let's get started. So three options will come. We'll select others and click continue. So from here you need to select the columns that you need. Other columns you need to leave as it is. So first we'll check general. We need general information. We don't need this one, so it's okay. Then click on income. We need salary income. We don't have income from house property, so we don't need that. Yes, we have income from scheduled capital gains, so we need this. It is already clicked. We also require this. We don't have virtual digital asset, but we'll click this for your reference. We have a schedule of other income. We'll select this also. We don't have this one, so we'll uncheck it. Why it not unchecking? I think there is an issue. We don't have all the other columns. We don't need all the other. Let's leave that. We don't need that. We will not fill that, but it's not unchecking, so let's leave that. Now click on business. Nature of business, we need this. Schedule balance sheet, we don't need this, but we'll keep this. We don't need this as well, but it's coming. We'll not fill this, so let's check. So we'll not take the depreciation column because we don't have any depreciation. Deductions, will not get any deductions, will not take it as well. Tax, we'll have to take it, and others we have to take it as well. So click on continue, again continue. So here we have to skip the questions. It is saying that your ITR3 is pre-filled as per your AIS and TIS. We just need to click OK. So these are the columns that we need to fill. We don't need to fill all the columns because some of the columns are extra here, because we don't need some of the columns like this one. So let's file. I'll discuss one by one. So first let's click on the general column. The site is not loaded yet. Yes, we do not need to click anything here, change anything here. In this one we have to select due date of filing return of income. So for normal persons your due date will be 31st July, and for audit persons, those who have doing audit for their business, they need to select this both date. but we are not normal individual, we need to select 31st July only. So other is yes. Have you exercised opting out? We select no. We'll file with the new tax regime only. Here we have to select the first option, as you know. So you have to select whether you are an FPI. No. Details of form, we don't have any, so no. Click on save. So now this one, audit information. This one is for those uh, who are doing audit of their firm. So we don't do any audit. So for our case, for normal people, we'll select just no. Click on no for all the options. Turnover, you have to select it does not exceed 1 crore. No. Also this no. This one also no. And just save it. The next one is bank details validation. We have already validated our account. Click on confirm. So our general form is completed. First form is completed. Let's move to the next schedule then. Let the site load first. Yes. Now nature of business. Click on this. Now click on add details. So here our business is tuition teaching. So we'll search for that. Coachings. So this one is the code for tuition teaching. What is the class name? J classes. Just click on it. Let us just copy this and paste it there. Copy. Just paste it here. Description also same. And just add. Click on confirm. So this one is for those who are doing audit, as because you need to uh, check your balance sheet and put all the values. Many of the people who are filing ITR3, normal individuals, they can leave this column. They do not need to fill anything. But if you want to fill anything, you come to this no account cases. Click on this. Just put the sundry debtors that you have. In our case, we have sundry debtors. You can leave this also. Don't need to file this one also. But in our case, we have. So for that reason, we will file this. Sundry debtors, we have 3,50,000. Creditors, we have 2 lakh. Cash balance, we have 3,20,000. So click on confirm. Okay. So you have also filled this one. If you want, you can skip this one, but in our case, we had such sundry debtors and creditors, so we have filled that. Skip this column, we don't need that. Trading account we need. So those who are doing futures and options trading, intraday trading, etc., they need to fill this. So revenue from operations, what does it mean? It means the sale gross turnover that you have, the turnover that you have, the sales that you make in the year. So click on edit. Sale of goods, sale of services. So in our case, we don't have any goods, so we'll click 0, but we have services because tuition teaching is a service. So we'll click on this. 2,55,864. 255,864. Just click on add. Also, you can add your expenses here, direct expenses also. Also, if you have any charges like this, you can fill up this, but we don't have any. Just click on confirm. So one more thing which I need to show you. Just 1 minute. Let the site load first, then I'll show you. Just click on trading account again. Just go down, click on this. So your intraday trading comes here, turnover from intraday trading. You need to click your total turnover. You can check that in your demat account statement. You can check it there. Matlab, in the whole year, how many what is the sales and purchase and sale that you have done, you have to fill it here. And income, the net profit or loss that you make from that intraday trading, you need to fill it here. So in our case we don't have any, so I'll click just confirm. So after that, part A PL, you don't need to fill that. If you want you can fill, otherwise you can leave it. But let's click on it once. We'll fill the no account cases in our case, but if you don't want, you can not fill as per your wish. So here also previously there was no option for intraday, so people used to provide their turnover here and they used to show their gross profit and loss here. But now intraday column is separated, so you can put it here also and there also, no issue. But it will be better that you put it there, because the column is provided for your ease, so it will be helpful if you provide it there only. So these are the things. So if you want, you can fill that, because we have already filled here there our business income, so we do not need to fill anything here. So just click on cancel. Here also back to schedule. So now we have to click schedule salary, as because we have salary income as well. So click on it. Let the page load first, then I'll show you. So yes, gross salary has come. Click on add other. Nature of employer, same as in ITR2 that you have filed, same process. So our case was Amul. It was Patna. As you have seen the previous, if you have seen the previous video, you know, you would have known this, what will be there. This one also, it will be Patna. Does anyone remember the pin code? If you have watched earlier videos, actually I also don't remember, so I need to check. So the pin code will be this 8111 8000. So let's paste it here. Automatically your state will be taken. Nature of employer, it is a private employer, so we'll click on others. So nature of salary, here you need to click what, as you know, basic salary. Yes. So what will be the basic salary in this case? 2,40,000. So standard deduction will come. I'll show you. Standard deduction will come down. Let it load first, then I'll show you the standard deduction. It will be calculated automatically. So let's check here. Yes, the standard deduction has been calculated. 50,000 has been deducted. So our net salary is 1,90,000 after deductions and all. 1,90,000. Click on confirm. And let me clear you all. We are filing ITR3 using the new tax regime. Okay, so keep that thing in mind. So we'll not get any deductions here. So next thing is computation of business and profession. You can click it here. So just go down and confirm, because we already shown the business income there previously. It is very simple. Just follow the steps and file your own return if you want to file using ITR3. So capital gain, which we need to fill. So click on this. So if you have watched my previous two videos, you are well aware of these two things. So basically, what is this triple one A? Can you guess? It is for short term capital gains, or STCG. Click on it. And what is this one triple one two A, double one two A? It is for LTCG, long term capital gains. Click on this as well. Click on continue. Let it load first, then I will show you. I think you know this step because we have already discussed these two steps in previous two videos as well. So I think you have, if you are watching my channel, so you have understood these two steps. You know these two steps. So first click on this, click on add details. So which option you need to select? Can you guess? The first option. Click on this. What you need to put here? Click on this again. Site is not working. Just wait for a bit. What is this happening, man? So what we need to put here, you always know, already know, our sales amount, full value of the consideration. Click on this. So in this case, we will put 30,000. What is the cost of acquisition without indexation? We have purchased it for 20,000. So our profit is 10,000, which has been calculated. Click on add. Let it load. So we have filled the STCG. Now we need to fill the LTCG, long-term capital gains. Click on this. Add details. So we do not need to fill anything here. Click on this. Add details. After 31st January 2018. I'm not discussing this because we have already discussed this thing in the previous two videos. If you haven't watched that two videos, kindly watch it for your reference. Cost of acquisition means the purchase cost. 30,000 we have purchased it. Our expenditure is 0 and we have sold it for 35,000. So we have to click add. So our profit has been calculated 5,000. Confirm. So 60% of the form has been filled. So this one is for virtual digital asset. I have shown you this one in the previous two videos. You can watch it from there. It is simple, very simple. Like the thing that I have put in short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains. You just need to put it here as well. But you need to put the purchase date as well as the sell date here. That's the extra thing you need to put. Otherwise, the thing is same. But if you have any doubt, you can watch my previous two videos. You will get an idea of it. So now other source, income from other sources, we need to click on it. It has been blank, guys. I don't know what is going on. Let's just wait. What we can do, we don't have anything to do. So our interest has come. We just click on OK. If you want to add, you can add here, but all the things are correct, so we'll click confirm. So I think you have seen this in the previous video also. Kindly remember this thing, what it is called, current year losses. So we need to just click on this. Let it load first. Let it load. Yes, the loading has been completed. Click on confirm. We do not need to fill anything here. Now click on BFLA, brought forward losses. Just click on compute set off. You do not need to do anything here as well. Let it load because it is not working. Nothing is working, guys. What I can do? compute set off, click on continue. Just come down, click on CFL, carried forward losses. Let it load because it will take time, I think. Click on compute set off. Then come down again. We do not need to click on this. We need to click on AMTC. Click on this. Just need to confirm. That's it. And also computation of total income. We'll need to click on this. And just need to confirm here also. So now the last schedule is remaining, part B TTI. Click on this. So here you can see amount payable is this one. So this is the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. I have done my best to ensure that you understand the things. So because of the income tax site issue, the video has gone so long, but I have tried my best to explain it to you in the best possible manner. So your support is needed much to grow my channel. Please like, share and support, as this will motivate me to make much more content in my channel. So thanks for watching the video. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.